Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this pattern. This is only 2 rows repeating 3D pattern. So simple, but it's a little take a time. This is the background. You can do that easily. Not confusing pattern, so simple, only 2 rows repeating. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments. And also don't forget, subscribe to my channel. If my video comes so speedy, please click these 3 dots on the right of the screen and slow me down. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can see that pattern like that. I hope you like it and you will try this pattern. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple, only 2 rows repeating 3D braided pattern. Let's start crochet. I use in my pattern Madame Tricot Paris Favorite Baby multicolor yarn, and this is sizes 3 light category. They recommend us using 3.5 millimeter hook. I will use I want to make it more softy, so I want to use 5 millimeter hook with this yarn. And this yarn, one ball is 100 grams and 3.5 ounces. It's equal to 230 yards and it's equal to 210 meters. Okay, be careful about that size, so you can choose your yarn which you want type. It's 100% of acrylic, and you can wash it in 30 degrees, ironing in low degrees, and don't put in the tumble dryer. This color is 656. Okay. We will start our pattern multiples of 8 plus 3. Okay. I hope I will find the... First of all, we will start with slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will repeat this 8 which width you want. Okay. I repeat it 3 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 24 chains plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then yarn over. Skip 1, 2, 3. Insert into the fourth one. Grab my yarn. Pull through 2, pull through 2. Make double crochet. Count your chain 3 as your first double crochet. Then yarn over and insert into the next stitch and make my double crochet in every each stitch. Okay. Next stitch. Yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is double crochet. I will make double crochet in every each stitch. I made my double crochets, chain 3 and turn my work, count as my first double. So I will start the second one. I insert and make double crochet. In the second row, we will make double crochets again in every each stitch. Okay. I complete this round and turn to you. I come to end. Don't forget your last stitch. Okay. Make my last double crochet, chain 3 and turn my work. On the third row, again we will make a double crochet in every each stitch. Count as my first double. Start from the second one and make double crochet in every each stitch. I complete that. After we will start our 3D part of this pattern. It's only 2 rows repeating and so simple. I promise that. I come to end again, make my last double, chain 3 and turn your work. Count as your first double, then insert the next stitch, make double crochet, insert the next stitch and make double crochet. You have 3 double crochet now. Now we will start to make our 3D part. We will make here 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Then hold these chains, skip very first and the next, totally 2 stitch skip, insert into the third one, grab your yarn and make slip stitch. 1, next one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 slip stitches. I made it. Then put your pattern like that. Come to first row and skip 1, 2, 3. Hold the fourth and the fifth one like that. Take these chains here. Get it. Back of this fourth and the fifth double crochet here like that. Insert your hook. There is here is little hole. You remember we skipped 2 stitch. Insert that little hole, grab your yarn and make slip stitch and close that hole. Then yarn over. We use these 2 double crochet here, so we skip here 1, 2, start from the third one and make 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But it gets a little tight, so I add one more, 21. Okay. Skip this very first and the second. Start from the third one. Grab your yarn and make slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 slip stitches. Then come to again, lose this loop a little, then come to again first row and count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 double crochet, 6 double crochet. Insert into the next 2 stitch like that. Hold them and take these slip stitches back of these 2 double crochets like that. Then insert your hook from this loop here Then this little hole, you know that, and make here slip stitch and close that hole. Here we use 2 double crochet, so skip this 1, 2, start from the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can adapt these chains about your yarn and hook. Okay, you can make them prepare all of them. Then skip this very first and the second, start from the third one, make your slip stitches. I make my slip stitches. Then again, here we use 2 of them, you know that. Then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of them here. Then next 2, I insert my hook and hold them. Then take these slip stitches behind of these double crochets here. Insert my hook, my loop, then this little hole, and make my slip stitches. Then yarn over, skip these 2 and make my double crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the first row, actually repeating pattern. Now it's so simple background. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work, count as your first double, then yarn over, insert the next one, double crochet, next one, double crochet, next one, double crochet. When you come to this skipping stitches, yarn over. We have here 2 legs, you know. I insert my hook as back post on the first leg here. Grab my yarn, pull through to make back post double crochet. Then yarn over, insert the second leg and make my second back post double crochet here. Then I have here 6 usual double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When I come to this skip stitch, I will make back post. Insert the first leg of this 3D part as back post. 1. Insert the second leg as back post. This is the second one. Then make my usual doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I come to this 3D part, make my 2 back posts. Insert the first leg, insert the second leg. Then make here 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. This is the second repeating row. That's it, only 2 rows repeating. Then chain 3 and turn my work. Now we will do the same thing previous row. This is my first double, then insert the next one, usual double, insert the next one, usual double. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 chains. and make my slip stitches, skip 2, start from the third one. I made my slip stitches. Now we will insert our 3D from the here next double crochet, the second row here. 1, 2, 3, skip, insert the fourth and the fifth one here, hold them, get these slip stitches behind of these fourth and the fifth here, insert that hole and join with a slip stitch. Then yarn over, skip 1 and 2, skip, start from the third one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then make your chains and slip stitches, come to the second row and count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, skip using these 2 double crochet. Okay, I complete this row after turn to you, show you background and make one more time. Next row we will join from here, you know that. Always one row up, one row up. Okay, that's so simple. I complete these 2 rows after turn to you and I will show you how you can join the third repeating. Complete and turn to you. I crochet back side, you know, when I come to the skip stitch I made here back post. It looks like that. Now I turn and make my 3 double crochet here, then come here and skip 1, 2, 3 here, the fourth and the fifth double crochets, take these slip stitches here, join 2 sides together with again slip stitch, yarn over, skip 2 and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 double crochet. Then make my chains and come here and count this time from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and take these 2 double crochets. Always come to next doubles. For example, next row I take these 2. Okay, every row we will insert these chains, previous rows 1 up row. Okay, this row insert from them, next row I will insert from them, next row I will insert from them. Okay, every row we will get like that. I will make it a little more bigger after turn to you. I crocheted a few more rows and you can keep crochet these 2 repeating rows. Actually every row you will insert from the 1 up of previous joining part. Okay, I hope you like it and you will try that. It's simple, but it's a little take a time because you make these chains and slip stitches, but simple project. I hope you like it and you will use this pattern your projects. If you have any questions, please leave me comments and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.